Hey everyone, this is Justin from Wild Rock Outfitters here. Today we're going to be doing an online tutorial of how to lube your drivetrain. This technique will work on all types of bikes, so whether you're riding mountain bikes, road bikes, or if you're just giving your commuter bike some love, this technique here will keep it running all spring and hopefully all summer long. So you're going to need a couple of materials in order to do this at home, one being a shop towel or any kind of rag that you are totally okay with getting dirty. We are obviously dealing with oils here, so something that you don't care about having stains all over it is the best way to go. Obviously, I've gone for one here with a nice motivational quote. And then on the other side here, we're gonna need some lubricant, chain lube specifically. So when it comes to chain lube, there's a couple of different options out there. There's obviously a wet lube, which is what I have here. There's dry lubes, and then there's also wax lubricants as well. All have pros and cons. I chose to go with a wet lubricant, mostly just because when I'm mountain biking, obviously you're going through puddles and stuff like that. It generally likes to stick on a little bit better in wet conditions, where say a dry lubricant is better for drier environments. However, it does tend to wash off when it gets wet. All right, so step one, what we're gonna do is we're gonna give our chain here just a quick wipe down. Best thing to do that with is just your shop towel here. And what you're gonna do is just wind the chain backwards just to kind of clear off any kind of grit or dust and dirt. So now that you have grease on the links of your chain, what you're going to want to do is just pedal it through all the gears, just making sure that the cassette here is also greased up, so everything kind of shifts nice and smoothly. Nice and smooth. All right, so now that your chain and cassette are all lubed up, the next step that you're going to want to do is to take your shop towel again and to just wipe off any excess grease. I usually find it's easy just to put the shop towel on the bottom of the chain there and then just spin it back through. Some people have different methods, but I find that's the quickest and easiest way to do it. So again, here's just a closer look of how I'll be doing that. Just grabbing it, pinching it just like that, and then just having the chain kind of flow through my hand freely there. And that's just gonna allow it to be cleaned a little bit more efficiently. So yeah, now that your chain's all lubed up, your bike should be ready to go. The only thing I would say is to just watch out for any braking surfaces. So if you have rim brakes, just try not to get any of the chain lubricant on the contact patch there, and then just watch out for disc brakes as well. Some lubricants come in an aerosol spray. If you do choose to use those, just definitely take the precautions and cover up any of those contact patches, because having contaminated brakes just generally is not a good idea. But yeah, I guess that's that, and we'll see you on the trails.